Hey folks, got a Subaru Outback here. All right, guess what? License plate light is out. Right here. Looks like 2 screws. The lens comes out and there should be a bulb in there. I believe it's a 168 bulb. All right, so we're gonna replace it with the 168 bulb. Let's do it. Let's take the screws out. All right, if you take the 2 screws out, the lamp will come out only so much. And if you touched it, you notice that the filament touched and then the light went on. So I'm going to separate this lens right now and get that bulb out. All right, so the lens comes out. Okay, once you get the lens out, then we can get to the bulb. All right, and the bulb just pulls right out. So we'll pull it out and we'll put a new one in. All right, right there. Hopefully my finger's gonna get in there, otherwise I use a pair of pliers or something and we'll pull it right out. All right, wasn't too bad. Tight squeeze to get to it, but there it is. All right, now to put it back, just put the lens back on, 2 screws, and we're done. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching, folks. Ciao. There you go. Final view. 2 screws in, nice and flush. All right.